Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay, you guys, today is going to be a 2-month update video for my natural kinky twist. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the state of my natural kinky twist. I hope you guys can see it really well. I can show you the front, and then hopefully I can show you like my scalp. I don't have too many flakes that I can see, but it is pretty thick in the scalp area. So I bet you guys are probably wondering, like, what have I done this past 2 months? And I've done everything that I stated in my kinky twist video. I am taking them out 1 week shy. I'm only like 2 or 4 days shy of 2 months. I put my kinky twist in either March 22nd or March 27th of 2025, just so that you guys know. So what haven't I done to my kinky twist? I have not washed my kinky twist at all. I have not submerged my entire head and made my kinky twist wet. I have not ruffled my hair to make it lock on itself. I think you guys will be able to see, but there's like minimal to no fraying on my hair. And that's due to me not necessarily touching my hair, because when my hair is in kinky twist, it is very, very serious for me not to manipulate or wash or cause any more shrinkage with my hair. If you guys can see, like, my hair is quite long and it shrinks up really bad. And if I were to wash my hair with these kinky twists in, my hair will shrink up even more, and it will cause so many like fairy knots, split ends, tangles. I'll call them spider webs when my hair just kind of gets stuck together and it don't want to come apart. So I do not wash my hair at all when I have these natural kinky twists in my hair. So for the next part, it's like, okay, well, how many times do you moisturize it? And for me, my hair can be completely different from you guys' hair, but I start moisturizing my hair on week 2, and I will moisturize my hair about every 4 days into my hair being up. So, but depending on which oil that I want to choose, then I will start grabbing it after week 4, like day 14, and I will start scrunching that into my hair to make sure that the ends of my hair is sealed and protected from my clothes, because my biggest style that I do wear is a half up, half down. So I want to make sure that my ends are still very moisturized and taken care of. So by day 14, I am squeezing moisture into my hair. And after that, about every 4 to 5 days, I am redoing a moisturizing treatment for my hair. That's what I'm gonna call it. So if you want to calculate 4 days, like every other 4 or 5 days from that, that's how many times I am moisturizing my hair, which I think is about like 6 times, maybe 7, but you can do the math. Hot oil treatments with my hair. How many hot oil treatments do I do with my hair up like this? I will say 2 to 3. Because after the 3rd week, I will do a hot oil treatment. And then if my hair on the 5th week is kind of still feeling a little dry, I will do another hot oil treatment. And then on week 7, I will do another hot oil treatment. And by week 8, I'm taking out my twist. And then week 9, I'm taking down the braids. And then by the 10th week, I'm fully washing my hair out and putting my hair in a low manipulated style. So 2 to 3 times most definitely I will do a hot oil treatment with my hair in my natural kinky twist. Okay, so is my hair locking, frizzing, and shrinking? Yes, my hair shrinks very much so. I will put in a clip on what my hair looked like when it is wet and how much longer it gets, but this is how short my hair is now. And then if I pull, I'm just trying to find one. If I pull it, you guys can see that's like a huge difference. Like I'm at armpit length right here and my hair shrinks a lot. Do it lock on itself? Yes, it will lock on itself, but that's why I do not wash my hair to disturb the twist pattern. And with the frizziness, my hair is slightly frizzy, but honestly, I think that it looks so good when it gets to the 2nd month mark, because the ends of my hair is so curly and it looks like my hair could potentially be locks. But for the people in the lock community that know what real locks look like, you can spot that they're twists and it might look like I'm trying to start locks. And my sister has told me so many times, my sister and my niece Delana has told me, you should lock your hair. This style is so cute on you. And it's like, it does eat. I'm not gonna lie, it eats down, but I have commitment issues when it comes to my hair and I could not lock my hair. So for all the people that's wondering, like, are you gonna lock your hair? Will you ever lock your hair? I've answered this a lot of times on my channel, but this is gonna be an updated video for 2025. It is now May 19th, 2025. And no, I will never lock my hair because I love to comb my hair in the shower and just feel the water go through my scalp while brushing and combing my hair and feeling the comb on my head. I had to get over the straight hair syndrome. And if you guys don't know what that is, that can be a completely different video. You can leave requests down in the comment section if you want to know what the straight hair syndrome is. But it took me almost 4 to 5 years when I went natural to get over that urge and that like mentality of wanting my hair to be straightened. And I guess like it would just have to take me a little bit longer to figure out like, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna take my hair down today or wash it or comb through it. Like I like to do that, and that's why it's been so stressful for me to be panicking in the shower because of my experience back in Atlanta of 2023, November, when my hair was coming out in the shower. And I have not did my natural kinky twist routine this time around, and I'm just praying to God that like everything goes well in the shower with my hair, and I feel like it will, but I'm always just like clenching my pearls and not necessarily like, you know, looking forward to it, especially when I know I've broken my routine. This is the state of my hair, and I feel like it looks really good. Like every time when I start thinking about taking down my hair, I'll be like, girl, no, don't do it. Like it's so cute, like the curls on the ends and everything. But then I'm like, it's gonna lock. Stop playing with yourself. So if you guys are wondering how much my hair has grown out, I don't know if you can see that, but this is my scalp and this is the end of the hair. Like I can show you guys, I can literally stick my finger through the new growth where the braid starts and then it turns into a twist. Like it's all the way around my hair. If you guys can see that, that is my scalp. And then I can stick my finger fully through. I don't know where my measuring tape is because we just moved, so I can't show you like how much my hair has grown out, but it's grown out significantly. And I'm just praying that I'm gonna be able to keep all of this linked. So this is my 2-month update on my hair. I am taking my hair down tonight. It is approximately, not approximately, it's 6:30. I don't know if I'm taking my hair down tonight. It's 6:30 and I know it's going to take me at least 8 hours to fully take down my hair. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. So maybe on the 20th, I'm gonna be taking my hair down, which is tomorrow. But yet and still, it's coming down very soon. And I really wanted to get this update in here for you guys so you can see my hair. And if you have any comments or videos that you wanna see me do with my kinky twist that I haven't showed you guys, please leave those comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.